Hi, I'm Dr. Caroline Leaf, and here's your mental self-care tip of the day. The difference between good stress and bad stress. Good stress is good for you. It helps you to have clarity of vision. It helps you have purpose and drive. You have the right amounts of adrenaline and cortisol and dopamine and all these wonderful neurotransmitters that actually cause your heart to beat faster, and you've got more oxygen in your brain, so you feel driven and have purpose. So for example, like when I'm doing a lot of work and a lot of TV work like I'm doing now, I've got to stay very sharp and clear. So I go into good stress. It helps me to focus. It helps me to keep going and driving in the right direction. If, however, you go into toxic stress, you have too much cortisol flowing, too much adrenaline, not enough dopamine, and all the things that you need to balance the way that you are handling the situation. And then you kind of block and get panicky and you can't do anything and you feel awful. So you don't want to get into that. You want to realize stress is good for you, and by your choices and your perceptions, stay in good stress.